Welcome to another episode of JavaScript tutorial series. In this episode, we're going to learn arrays in JavaScript. So in last video, we learned about objects. How can we write one object using these curly braces? And we have keys and values in the object. And what is one array? So if I write one array, let's say the name of the variable is, the name of the constant is my array. And then you can use square bracket. Using square bracket, you can create one array. Now the real difference between object and array is that in array, we don't have the keys, we only have the values. See, in this object, we have this key and this value, but in array, we have only values. So let's write some values, okay? Let's say the first value is one string, let's say country name US, and the second value is some number, and maybe the third value is one boolean. So can you see the difference? In array, we only have values, we don't have any keys. Now the question is, how will you access these values? Suppose I want to know what is the first value, what is the second value. You can do that by using a square bracket after the array name, and you can use 0, 1 or 2. That is called, so this is called the index of the array. So I have written this array, the first index is always 0, the second one is 1, the third one is 2, like that. So if you want to access the first value, that is US, you can use my array, then square bracket, inside the square bracket you add 0. So in this way you can access the values. But in object, you don't have any order, okay? This object is not ordered. So in object, all the values are named values. That means keys are associated, like we have city and the value of the city, we have country and the value of the country. But for arrays, we access the values with the index. Now arrays has some methods to update the array. Like I have created my array, and then suppose you want to push something at the end of the array, you can use the dot push, and then you can add some value. So in this case, this 2312 value will be pushed to the array. So the array will have 4 elements. Then we will discuss about the array methods later in the series, but for now you just learn about how to write the array and what is the use of the array. Okay, now if you want to print the array, you can just use the console log. Then my array is my name of the array, right, that we have created. Now if I run this code, you can see that this array is printed. Okay, so if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section and I'll try to answer them. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.